To add a line on the T-Mobile app, you need to be an existing postpaid or prepaid customer. For postpaid plans, you'll need a valid SSN or ITIN for a credit check. Prepaid options require fewer details but still need a U.S. address and payment method. Users must be 18 or older or have parental consent for family plans, and you can add up to 10 lines per account. For pricing, postpaid lines start at $25 per month for Magenta plans with autopay, with adding a line costing an extra $10 to $20 per month depending on the plan. Prepaid lines cost $10 to $15 per month with no contract. Keep in mind activation fees of $10 to $25, which may be waived by promotions, plus state taxes. Bundling lines can unlock perks like free streaming services. To add a line, start by logging in to the T-Mobile app. Open the app and enter your account credentials to access your account. Next, navigate to your account section. From the home screen, tap Account, then select the Add a Line option. Now, select your desired plan type, such as postpaid or prepaid. The app will guide you through eligibility verification. Review your plan selection, confirm it, and complete the payment process using your preferred method. For digital lines, activation is instant. If you need a physical SIM card for a new device, it will be mailed to you. The entire process generally takes 5 to 10 minutes, and T-Mobile offers 24/7 chat support if you encounter any issues. Additional features include integration with T-Mobile Tuesdays for free data boosts and automatic syncing with your home internet plans for seamless connectivity.